namin yung
The challenges na we're facing is currently the largest people workers in the province is like the accommodation of
Sa beauty po, which is yung Aster Sophia, Aster Axis po. Para mahati yung group, dagdagan pa rin po namin yung ano po na ng Aster.
So, parang nagiging dalawang group kayo.
Yes po.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you po.
Aster lang din po talaga. It's maybe, I'm not saying po na the other groups are not talented, but I can proudly say that Aster is really talented. As we said kanina po na we make our own music. The very beginning, pinaka-scratch po sa amin po yung galing. We make our own choreographies as well. And yeah, I think that's something, ayun po yung pinaka-edge po ng Aster na mas pagmamalaki ko po sa buong mundo or sa buong P-pop. But I'm not saying that the other P-pop groups are not talented. They are really talented.